Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If your screen keeps flickering or flashing on Windows, especially after an update or while opening a certain apps, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple methods to try to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's make sure an app isn't causing this problem. If you notice the flickering happens when you open certain apps like Chrome, Norden, or even File Explorer, that app might be the source of issue. Here's what we can do. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Task Manager. Now, if the Task Manager flickers too, the issue is likely with your display driver. But if only the desktop or specific apps flicker, then one of those apps is the source of issue. So let's try to uninstall any recently installed apps, especially the antivirus or screen-related software. Let's go to your search box and type Control Panel and open it. Then click on the Uninstall a Program and let's click on the Install On column to sort them by the most recently installed. And just look for any recently installed app that might be causing the issue and uninstall it. Then restart your computer and see if the problem has been fixed. If the Task Manager flickers too, we'll fix your display driver. Let's right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager and expand the display adapters. You'll see your graphics card listed as Intel, Nvidia, or AMD. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows find one. If that doesn't help, right-click on it again and select Properties. Then open the Driver tab. If the Rollback Driver button is clickable, go ahead and roll it back to a previous version. Once done, restart your computer and test it again. Next, let's check your display refresh rate. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and let's click on Advanced Display Settings. Now choose your display, look for Screen Refresh Rate, and try switching between 60 and 120 or whatever is available for your monitor. Sometimes a mismatched refresh rate causes the screen to blink or flash. Now, some apps like Chrome, Edge, or Discord uses a feature called hardware acceleration, which can cause flickering. To disable it in Chrome, open Chrome, click on the three dots, go to Settings, then System, then turn off Use Graphic Acceleration when available, and restart Chrome. And just do the same in other apps that support this option. If none of that worked, let's scan Windows for corrupted system files. Click on the Start menu and let's type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now let's type this command, sfc /scannow, and hit enter. And just wait for it to finish. It may take several minutes. When done, restart your computer and check to see if the problem has been resolved. And lastly, let's make sure your Windows is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates. Sometimes Windows releases fixes for known display bugs through the update. After updating, restart your PC and check to see if the problem has been resolved. And that's it. One of these methods should definitely stop your screen from flickering or flashing on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.